Deck Ashish writes, what is your typical day like? Mostly getting ready for these live streams. These live streams are a lot of work. I enjoy them and I love spending the time with you guys, but you know, it's a lot of work to stay mentally ready and able to spend time with you guys, but I do enjoy it. I will share more of my day in other videos and other outlets, but I want to get to some of the other questions. But thank you for asking. I appreciate your you know, you looking out for my schedule. But you know, a lot of my schedule also is just staying on top of current trends. Data science is so dynamic right now, and it will probably always be a dynamic field. So I just try to, you know, sharpen my own skills and talk to other executives, kind of see what the executive pain points are. That's what I do a lot with my corporate clients. And also just try to practice more and more of my leadership skills. I enjoy the leadership aspects of data science. I've been a manager for a long time now, a chief data scientist for a long time now. So that's kind of a different angle when you're going from, like, you know, a lead data scientist to management, but it's something that I enjoy.